New just listed home, 17577 Moorfield Drive, Fort Myers, Florida, by Sandra Varela from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers comfort and convenience in desirable South Fort Myers. The home features a beautifully appointed living room, ideal for relaxation, and a modern kitchen perfect for culinary creations. Complementing these spaces are 3 comfortable bedrooms, offering ample space for rest and privacy, along with 2 pristine full bathrooms designed for everyday living. You'll also appreciate the inviting screened lanai, perfect for enjoying the beautiful backyard patio. With a 2-car garage and a community boat ramp just around the corner, this fully updated residence is perfect for water enthusiasts, allowing you to park your boat trailer with ease. Contact us and make it yours.